We constantly hear that to strengthen our immune system, we need to take supplements and meds. The secret to a stronger immune system and better health isn't only found in a pill or supplement, but in the dirt beneath your feet. For years, we've been told to scrub, sanitize, and avoid germs at all costs. But we have been doing it wrong. What if the microscopic life forms in soil, the very ones we've been avoiding, hold the key to supercharging our immunity and even improving mental health? Today we're going to challenge everything you thought you knew about cleanliness, health, and your immune system. Welcome to Levitas. Why are soil microbes important for health? Soil microbes are the tiny organisms that live in the Earth's soil, bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that interact with plants, animals, and humans in profound ways. These microbes are the foundation of life on Earth, supporting plant growth and creating ecosystems that sustain our food supply. But their role goes beyond agriculture, they also influence human health. When we come into contact with soil microbes, they interact with the human microbiome, the collection of bacteria, fungi, and viruses that live inside and on our bodies. Soil microbes can help balance gut bacteria, strengthen the immune system, and even protect against chronic diseases. Studies show that exposure to these microorganisms stimulates the production of anti-inflammatory cytokines and boosts regulatory T cells, both crucial for a resilient immune system. Additionally, soil microbes produce natural antibiotics and compounds that fight harmful bacteria. They even contribute to serotonin production, the neurotransmitter linked to mood and well-being. Without regular exposure to these beneficial microbes, we miss out on their extraordinary health benefits. Allergies are on the rise, especially in industrialized countries. But what if our ultra-clean lifestyles are partly to blame? Research suggests that early exposure to dirt and soil microbes can play a vital role in preventing allergies and other immune-related conditions. This concept, known as the hygiene hypothesis, proposes that growing up in overly sterile environments limits the development of a robust immune system. Soil microbes, especially those found in natural outdoor environments, train the immune system to distinguish between harmful invaders and harmless particles like pollen or pet dander. Without this training, the immune system can overreact, leading to allergies, asthma, and autoimmune conditions. Children raised on farms or in rural areas, with frequent exposure to soil and animals, tend to have lower rates of allergies compared to those in urban settings. Playing in the dirt, gardening, or even walking barefoot outdoors exposes the body to a diversity of microbes that fortify the immune system. So, while it's essential to maintain hygiene, allowing some contact with dirt, especially during childhood, could be the key to reducing the risk of allergies and promoting lifelong immune health. How does gardening improve mental health? Gardening is more than a hobby, it's a therapy for the mind and body. Engaging with soil and plants exposes you to soil microbes like Mycobacterium vaccae, which have been shown to increase serotonin production. This happiness chemical contributes to feelings of calm, reduces anxiety, and combats depression. When you garden, you're not just planting seeds in the earth, you're cultivating a sense of connection to nature, which has proven psychological benefits. Studies reveal that spending time with plants lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and boosts endorphins, which improve overall mood. The physical activity involved in gardening also releases dopamine, the brain's reward chemical, leaving you feeling accomplished and fulfilled. Moreover, gardening encourages mindfulness, the practice of being present in the moment. The sensory experience of touching soil, smelling flowers, and hearing the rustle of leaves helps ground your thoughts and soothe a racing mind. Whether you're tending to a backyard plot or a few potted plants, this simple act can provide immense mental health benefits and a renewed sense of purpose. Should you consume soil for health? While soil microbes offer incredible health benefits, directly consuming soil is not advised at all. Raw soil can contain harmful pathogens, heavy metals, or chemical contaminants that can pose serious health risks. Instead, focus on indirect exposure by gardening, playing outdoors, or eating organic produce grown in healthy soil. Additionally, you can support your microbiome with probiotics, fermented foods, and prebiotic-rich vegetables that simulate the effects of soil microbes. The goal is not to eat dirt, but to reconnect with the earth in ways that enrich your body with its natural microbial diversity. Is urban living depriving us of healthy microbes? Urban living has drastically reduced our exposure to the natural world, and with it, the beneficial microbes found in soil. Paved streets, sterile environments, and limited green spaces cut us off from the microbial diversity that previous generations took for granted. This disconnection has been linked to weakened immune systems, increased allergies, and higher rates of chronic diseases. However, there are ways to reclaim this lost connection. Seek out urban parks, community gardens, or hiking trails where you can immerse yourself in nature. Activities like walking barefoot on grass or engaging in outdoor exercise can introduce your body to healthy microbes. Even small steps, like growing a potted herb garden on your balcony, can make a difference. You can also prioritize purchasing organic, locally grown produce, as it is often richer in microbial diversity compared to conventionally grown food. Consider incorporating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut into your diet to support your gut microbiome, mimicking some benefits of soil exposure. Urban living may limit your contact with natural microbes, but intentional efforts to reconnect with nature can help restore the balance and support your health. How can city dwellers benefit from soil microbes? City dwellers can still tap into the benefits of soil microbes with some creativity. Start by incorporating nature into your living space with indoor plants or small-scale gardening. Herbs like basil, mint, or thyme can thrive on a windowsill and provide a connection to soil microbes right at home. Visiting parks or community gardens regularly is another excellent way to engage with the microbial world. Participating in activities like tree planting or composting allows you to interact with soil while also contributing to environmental sustainability. For families, creating opportunities for children to play outdoors in dirt or sand can have lasting health benefits. If you're unable to access green spaces, consider probiotics, prebiotics as dietary supplements, or probiotic foods like kefir. These products introduce beneficial bacteria that mimic the effects of natural soil microbes on your gut health. For an immersive experience, try forest bathing, a Japanese practice of spending time in wooded areas to connect with nature. Even in urban settings, a few hours in a botanical garden or nature reserve can introduce your body to healthy microbes and improve overall well-being. With a little effort, even the busiest city dwellers can foster a relationship with soil microbes and enjoy their incredible health benefits. What are probiotic skincare products? Probiotic skincare products are designed to support the natural microbiome of your skin. These products contain live beneficial bacteria or prebiotics that nourish your skin's existing microbes, promoting balance and resilience. By strengthening the skin barrier, they help reduce inflammation, fight acne, and improve hydration. To use probiotic skincare, start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt without stripping natural oils. Apply a probiotic serum or moisturizer as part of your daily routine, focusing on areas prone to dryness or irritation. These products offer a modern, science-backed way to nurture your skin's health while connecting to the microbial world. In conclusion, soil microbes are the hidden architects of health, working tirelessly beneath our feet to support not only ecosystems but also our immune systems, gut health, and even mental well-being. By interacting with the human microbiome, these microorganisms enhance our body's resilience, producing natural antibiotics, anti-inflammatory agents, and mood-boosting compounds like serotonin. Exposure to dirt, particularly during childhood, serves as a crucial immune training ground, potentially preventing allergies and autoimmune conditions. Gardening offers a unique way to reconnect with these beneficial microbes, combining physical activity with mental health benefits like stress reduction and mindfulness. For city dwellers, urban parks, potted plants, and even probiotic skincare products provide practical avenues to reintroduce microbial diversity into our lives. By bridging the gap between modern living and nature, we can reclaim the extraordinary health benefits soil microbes offer. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.